Jen from LocknCharge. We're super excited to show the new kiosk that we're launching that goes along with our FUYL Tower Smart Locker system. Kids can get a loaner device in 2 minutes or less. They can self-report a broken device, and they can even charge a device without asking anybody for a power cord. Let me show you how it works. When a device gets broken, a student can self-report that damage right through this tower without having to bother a librarian or IT on-site staff. They just simply click repair, that they want to drop off a repair, and it's going to ask them for their asset ID. This is how IT can track who is reporting that the device is broken. Now they get some options to say if it's a broken screen, a broken keyboard, it's not holding a charge, or they can click something else and leave notes. The door opens, I put my broken device in there, close it, and the student, then they could grab a loaner for the day so they're back in business, all without talking to anybody. The back-end portal that's there for the IT administration, there's great dashboards for them to see when devices are overdue, and other management tools to make it simple for IT. If you have any questions or you want to see this in person for yourself, give us a call. You can visit LocknCharge.com, fill out a form. Have a great day.